Today, we're gonna make this. Just kidding! What's up everyone? This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. Welcome back to my channel. Every week I give you the best tips on personal wellness and personal success to help you become more confident, more happy, and healthier. Now, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite desserts. Okay, now this dessert you saw is a red velvet cake, but we're not actually making the red velvet cake. I love red velvet cake myself. It's actually one of the treats that I give myself. But you know, cakes, they're very high in sugar, so I don't recommend you to have it all the time, especially if you're actually losing weight, trying to lose weight and you're on a healthy lifestyle. But however, I have this recipe where you can turn red velvet cake into a healthy, yummy weight loss smoothie bowl. Okay, so today we're going to make a healthy, yummy, low-calorie red velvet smoothie bowl with our favorite Herbalife products together with a few simple ingredients. All right, to make this red velvet smoothie bowl, we just need a few simple ingredients. Now, come around and have a look what we got here. Now, the first thing you need, the most important part that gives this smoothie bowl a red color is our beets, our beetroots. So, you know, for the commercial cakes, right, they always use food dye, or, you know, for some vegan, nice organic cakes, they use red beets. So here in our smoothie bowl today, we're gonna be using beets. So all you need is just 1 cup, or some of you, if you don't want too much, you can use half a cup of raw beets. And make sure you peel them and chop them up into chunks or dice them up into small pieces. Okay, so they, you know, it's gonna be easy to blend them. Okay, so here's our red part. And next, we're gonna need 1 whole banana. Okay, the banana is gonna give our smoothie bowl the thickness. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 banana there. Some of you, if you like your smoothie bowl extra chunky and thick, you can actually freeze your banana overnight and use frozen banana. And it's actually gonna turn out to be quite nice as well. But here we're gonna use fresh banana. And then, how many of you realize that red velvet cake has cream cheese on top, right? And that is actually also my favorite part. So for this smoothie bowl, we're also gonna introduce a cheese element. And here we have cottage cheese. Now, cottage cheese comparing to many other types of cheese is actually relatively lower in calorie and also higher in protein. So we're gonna be using just about 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese and blend it up with everything else, okay? And at the end of it, we may, you know, drizzle some extra cottage cheese on top for decoration. And for the liquid base, we'll be using 1 cup of soy milk, okay? So cheers to soy milk. And then for our Herbalife ingredients, we'll be using our Herbalife protein drink mix in vanilla flavor, which is plain and also versatile. And then for the F1 Formula 1 nutrition, we're gonna be using wild berry today. Why? Because wild berry gives you that pink texture, the pink color, which is what we want in our red velvet smoothie bowl. Okay, so these are the main ingredients we're gonna be using, and let's blend them together. Voila! Look at this red velvet smoothie bowl we got it here. Well, what we have here is, you know, the bare minimum, right? It's so thick. Look at this. Oh, yummy. I'll give you a tip. You can actually put this in your freezer, okay, for like an hour or something like that to actually even thicken the texture more so that it will actually taste like ice cream, but nice cream, the healthy ice cream. Okay, but I prefer just eat it straight because I'm hungry. I want to just like, you know, go straight into my food. But before we get into it, I would like to tell you guys that you can actually decorate your smoothie bowl with like different toppings on top. So some of you may have seen like all the pretty, smoothie bowl decorations from different food bloggers. You know, you can put like, bananas and coconut flakes and different like nuts and different fruits on top to make it look really fancy and nice. But what we're gonna do today is, for me, I'm just gonna keep it very simple. I'm gonna stick to what red velvet cake looks like. What does it look like? Red and white, right? So I'm gonna put just a little bit of extra cottage cheese on top as my topping because I wanna keep it original. I wanna keep it like red velvety. So we have the red velvet here, which is beautiful and thick. And then we're just gonna like drop a little bit more cottage cheese on top. Okay, right. Oh wow, look at this. Yes, okay. We're not gonna spend time to like do a latte art or a smoothie bowl art today. That is not the intention of my video, but I do want to show you guys that there's so many things you can do with a smoothie bowl. So there we go. There's our red velvet smoothie bowl. Yummy. That's made from beet, banana, cottage cheese, and our beautiful Herbalife Formula 1 shake and also protein mix. Okay, so let me know if any of you guys have made this at home, that you have tried this recipe and turn it into your own version or whatever. Let me know. I am really curious to know how you go with my recipes, and also if you want to mix it up and also change it up according to what you like. That is completely okay. So write me in the comment below. Let me know how you go with the recipe. And also, of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when my next videos comes out and you'll be the first one to know. And also lastly, let me know in the comment below where you're tuning in from, because I'm always interested to know where my audience comes from. And maybe, when the whole COVID thing's finished, I can come to your city, come to your country and hang out with you. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, enjoyed today's recipe. And if there's anything particular you want to see from me, do let me know in the comment as well. And I try my best to make the best videos to help everybody get that nice and happy, healthy life. Okay, so I'll catch you everybody next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'd like to give you a special offer. This is your chance to tone up your body and to reset your mind and your nutrition in just 5 days. You will get 5 videos, and in each video, you will have 3 sections, each dedicated to nutrition, mindset, and physical workout. This series is valued at $147, but for all of you today, it's only $47. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description below, grab your video, and enjoy the 5-day tone up.